Well, this next project is a Gibson SG. It's a kit. I'm going to be putting this together for a customer. I'm going to paint a picture of Angus Young. Angus Young obviously played a Gibson SG, and played a couple of different guitars. Played a black one, played a burgundy one, and anyone else who knows a lot about ACDC could probably educate me on that. These kits are not bad. They're actually pretty good. If you set them up properly. I mean, I think that's the key, is just making sure that you get a half decent setup on it. I usually, I replace the nut, adjust the truss rod, obviously set the intonation, bridge. I'm just going to start with a little bit of white here. I don't know, that looks like a neck of a guitar to me. Close your eyes, it looks good. I use this a lot, it's a French curve. And somewhere in this French curve, you'll find an angle for most of what's going on in this piece of artwork. You see this edge of his guitar. I don't want to paint the whole thing. Just put a little hints here and there, and you kind of assume the rest. It's funny the way we see things, but I'm just gonna find a, here we go, like right, see that fits almost perfectly. Just a little, just like that. Then maybe get the underside of it. Just hit that little touch. Right there, that's enough. Then go in, and he's got a pick guard here. And maybe just get that just a little bit. Well, this is what I have. I like it. So tomorrow what I'm going to do is put a coat of urethane over the top. I'll go over it with a tack cloth and stuff first, just to make sure there's no dust and oversprays. This is obviously, it's airbrushed, so sometimes you get a little bit of overspray on it. Well, I'm sorry I didn't record all this. I got carried away and I just forgot. I'll explain what I did here. This is painted on, it's not a sticker, for starters. I masked the wood, the bare wood, with 1/4 inch masking tape, painter's tape. This guy, I cut a stencil by hand for him, okay, around the perimeter of his body, the shape, and this is painted in with a small detailed brush. It looks like a sticker because it was painted within the confines of that piece I cut out, so it tends to have kind of a sharp edge to it. It kind of looks like a sticker a bit, but it's painted on. So everything here is paint right now. I'm block sanding this with 1000 grit sandpaper. Now, just to give you an idea, what I've done here right now is I've gone from the 1000 grit sandpaper and I right to the rubbing compound. They sent us the wrong key here. As you can see, it's we're gonna have to get the other one. But well, time to put strings on this thing. I'm not going to put the truss cover on yet. I'm gonna wait and get the guitar strings on, tune it up, 440, and see what. Sometimes that'll put a little bit of 4-bow on the neck, and sometimes that's just enough. Well, there we go. We've got strings. We've got strings on this guitar now. It's starting to look like a real guitar here. So I'm gonna go upstairs, plug this thing in, and see what happens.